Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I don't wear any makeup right now, but I'm going to do a review on 4 products from Pyunkang Yul. The product's packaging is so minimal and it is so pleasing to see because I really love minimal packaging instead of something that has so many words or stuff on the packaging. So, oh my god. So without wasting any time, I will just head to the video. And the first thing is this Pyunkang Yul mist toner. This mist toner has a spray right here. It has a mist. This thing does not have any scent, which I really love. And for your information, they only have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside. You know how much it shocked me when there's only 5 ingredients in these products, because I normally seen skincare products or makeup that has a lot of ingredients, and I found this just have 5 products, not even 10, and I was like, what? Back then when I first unboxed my products, I have a quite sandy skin. You can't really see it on the camera. If you haven't watched my unboxing video, you can click up here or on my description bar. You can see how my skin looks like back then, but after using it a few days, I'm pretty much okay. No more sandy skin. I really love my skin. And the second product, which I found the packaging is so interesting because it reminds me of a capsule. You can see it looks like this. This is actually a moisturizer. It says that auto cream using ingredients of Lonicera japonica, honeysuckle flower, peptide ceramide is a moisturizing product that can be used without irritating the sensitive and fragile skin. So this is a really good moisturizer because it feels lightweight. It does not feel thick on your skin and it absorbs well onto your skin, and it does not have any scent. Again, this does not have any scent, just like the face mist. So for this eye cream, it says that this is really good for those who have wrinkles or tired eyes, or maybe someone who needs a really deep hydration, because this thing, it provides hydration. And even though it looks kind of thick, but it absorbs really well onto your skin, and I really love this. And furthermore, this also does not have any scent, and it has quite a lot of ingredients, but I think that's pretty normal, like a normal skincare, so I don't really mind. So I searched on Style Korean and I found that the suggested use is apply every evening, gently spread on wrinkles and darkening areas. So I use this every single day because this area and this is particularly drier than any other area, so I need this eye cream because this deep hydrates my skin. And the last thing I'm going to review is this Pyunkang Yul Moisture Ampoule. At first I thought that this is just a design. Okay, so I thought that this is just a design, like the cape. It's like the Peripera velvet ink velvet lip tint, because this for Peripera, this is just like a packaging to make it look cute. But when I opened this, I was kind of like, oh, this product is so interesting. And this thing also does not have any scent. At first I thought that this is so freaking thick, like really thick. I thought that, what is this? This is so thick. And when I apply it on my face, it absorbs really well. It feels like a water and it does not feel sticky at all. And it only has a few products inside it. I mean ingredients. Why am I saying products? So the ingredients inside is just Coctis japonica root extract, polysorbate 80, PEG 150 distillate, polysorbate 21, 2 hexanidrol, glycerol caprylic. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I hope I did well. And even though it is kind of thick, it absorbs really well onto your skin, and I decided to use this at the end of my skincare routine because it feels some kind of like oil. And I watched Gota Miska YouTube channel, and when she reviewed this moisture ampoule, she said that it is recommended to use this at the end of my skincare routine because it feels like oil, and I am agree with her because it does feel like an oil. So out of all 4 products that I've tried, I really love this moisture ampoule because I thought that this might be a little bit too thick for my skin and it will be hard for it to absorb into my skin, but I was wrong. It did a really great job. You only need a tiny bit of amount and you can already apply it on your whole face, and it really did do its jobs really cool. So that's all for my review. I hope you enjoy my review. I hope you learned something new from my review, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell button because with that bell you will never miss any of the video that I'm going to upload next. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.